Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna start our weekly watch list session. This is just gonna be like 10-15 minutes stream where I talk about economic news for the next week, plus I also go through charts. Like if you want me to check like some specific ticker like crypto, stock market, forex, like let me know, so I will be able to like do it. So okay, first of all, as always, we start with economic calendar. It's gonna be interesting week. Like on Monday we don't have like any major news. On a Tuesday I highly recommend everyone to stay away from the market because it's gonna be like bank holidays for on Tuesday, November 11th, right? So Wednesday gonna be chill day as well. Thursday we still have like CPI like tentative, so because government shut down. But anyway, CPI week usually great. So most likely it's gonna be like good day for trading. And Friday, like I don't like trading Fridays in general, but it's also like tentative for USD news, and most likely we're gonna skip like trading Friday at all. So potentially we have like Monday can be a little bit manipulations, like Wednesday and Thursday. So potentially 2-3 days like for trading. One second, guys. I get my water and we continue. So if you want me to check like some tickers, some specific tickers, please let me know. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm back. So let's continue. So first of all, I always like to start like my weekly watch list with DXI. So for DXI, I'm gonna open like weekly candle. So on the weekly candle, what can we see? On the weekly candle, we see like huge deviation. It means that we did manipulation and we have a range here. What is this for? No, I'm not interested in it. So we have also weekly fair value gap that been formed here, and we have this huge range from 125 till 96 to 37. So this is the range. As you can see, we had deviation here and then deviation here. Now, what to expect? Like I can see like two options. On the XI, it's move downwards to like 0.5, the equilibrium of this range, and reversal, or pull back till this fair value gap, and then look for reaction, but most likely upwards. So we'll see how this week will perform. But this is only this is the first trouble area where I expect some reaction, right? Final zone where I want to see DXI before going lower is this, like 102.6. This is like area zone where I expect price to like do something. It's what I would love to see here. I would love to see some sort of manipulation and then move upwards. If this won't happen, if price will keep diving and go below like 97.5 and so on and so on, most likely we will see move all the way down till 88. So this is gonna be like final target for me on the DXI. This is like from it's my vision of the DXI from high time frames perspective. So on daily we can see the same. We inside of the range, so I cannot tell you the I cannot follow structure here at all, because this is a range. It's obviously a range. We had like 2 deviations. Usually like 2 deviations is more than enough like for you to like stop trading in this range, because like after 2 deviations we have like few options. It can be going consolidation and then move in any direction, because it can be accumulation, can be distribution, right? So it can be like 2 phases. So what we have here, I have no idea. So if it goes down, then it will go to FFG and then goes up. It can do like different things. If dollar index will be strong, then most likely price will keep going higher till this monthly forever gap that I marked around like 102.5. This is like where a dollar index can go, but it also can go lower to like equilibrium or even lower. I don't know right now. I know like for a fact it will go like a bit like lower, so I might be able to play like few like scalps, right? If we're talking about next chart on 4 hours, it's a similar picture. If we jump on 1 hour, we already have a downtrend, right? So like we have a downtrend. This is the first shift. This is the second shift. it's kind of clean. It's kind of clean here. How I can use it? I can trade euro. I can trade British pound. I can trade Audi. I can trade USD GPY based on it. So like for me, to be honest, USD GPY looks great for a short. So what I can see here, I see like let's talk about USD GPY. On USD GPY, it's a huge gap. So most likely price will wanna test like this area, especially if we jump on 4 hours and see how price like closed here, right? So we have this high that took liquidity from previous one, so it's already some sort of shift, and we already have a downtrend. This is downtrend, right? If we jump it on lower time frame on 1 hour, we can already see clean structure. We have a downtrend here. The question is where we're gonna get rejection. So we already tested 0.5, so most likely price can keep going lower here, or do like a bit manipulation till this like order block, like test it and then go down. If price will break above, then most likely it will keep going higher, but this is like less likely scenario. So this is like around like 10 or like 20% chance that this will happen, right? So this is USD GPY. So let me do it here. USD GPY. Now go to like my main instrument to trade. This is euro. So if you've been following me on where is this? Yeah, this one. So if you've been following me on TradingView, this is my Armenian book. You can just easily find me. I posted this analysis saying like where euro like go. Like also updated all my trades, etc. So this is what I expected. So to test like this equilibrium and then go lower. But the thing is, I don't know like for sure, because we have, if we jump in on real chart, we can see that weekly candle closed not that bad. I would say, not that bad. And we can go to this external range. So we did manipulation with this buy side, no, this is sell side liquidity, right? If I'm not mistaken. Always, let me see. So it's a buyer, this selling. Yeah, so that's sell side liquidity, and this we still have like buy side liquidity. We have this equal highs, right? We have these highs, so price can easily do like manipulation all the way up before going lower, because this is a huge range. And this manipulation, let me turn off indicator so you can see this one. This is a huge range. And we can mark this like liquidity pool. There you go. So price can go like all the way up as well, easily. To take liquidity here and like move downwards. It's possible. And we have to consider this option, right? So we'll see how market gonna open. From like technical perspective, like this is uptrend. This is uptrend already on 1 hour, like 100%, right? So 1 hour it's already uptrend. Like this is first shift, this is like second one, so it's already uptrend. But the problem, we took like internal liquidity. The question is, will it go further to take this liquidity at least, right? So potentially we can work with this trade. And the euro right now in 4 hours forward gap. 4 hours forward gap. And I don't know how it will perform here. So have to wait for reaction, how market gonna open. Right now I'm a bullish. Right now I'm bullish. One second, let me get my tea. Okay, I'm back. So now British pound. British pound. This is trade I've been working on. It's very cool trade, very cool setup. Here it's a based on like price action. It was like pure price action. I really liked it, and I posted in my Telegram channel. You can find link in my description. Yeah, it's a full my Telegram channel. I posted, and plus I posted this trade in trading chat here, in the community area. Yeah, so it was like I liked it because I've been watching how 1 hour candle closed, and I just like put limit order here, and this was my trade. Like awesome trade. So what can I expect here? Weekly closed extremely bullish. Like this is super bullish candle. From daily perspective, the problem is we have this daily forward gap, inverse forward gap, so this can be tested before going any further. So from daily perspective, we can expect something like this, or price can go like even further till order block. So this is British pound. Okay, now I'm going to gold. So for gold I have like it's obviously in consolidation. We have like plenty of like zones that has to be tested. So 3.5, 3.7, and so on and so From daily perspective, like we're obviously in some sort of consolidation. So before going lower, I would love to see manipulation with liquidity. So it can be this 31st October 31st high manipulation. So like pump, take liquidity and then dump, or it can go like a bit higher to like this area, like 4200 area, and then go down. So like I have no idea, but I would love to see manipulation before going any lower, because any manipulation downwards, any move downwards, is a bad sign for shorts, because we're basically like leaving bunch of liquidity, and it's better to take liquidity out first, this sell side liquidity, this buy side liquidity, from like this area, and only then going lower. I would love to see this. If I don't see like something like this, like better to skip it at all. Okay. Once again, if you want to check me something else, some like other tickets that you want to hear my opinion, go ahead. I'll be happy to help. Okay, so now, okay, now, USD strength. This is also from my analysis that I posted on TradingView. Yeah, this was my idea, original one. I moved already stop limit entry, so it's a risk-free trade. I'm expecting price to reach at least like 0.5, maybe a bit low. So this is once again like my trading idea that I had. It's based on liquidity sweep here, test, and market shift and break of structure. So that's it, nothing else. Now, let's go to German 40. This is like one index I trade. We did like manipulation. Like weekly candle closed like bearish with bunch of liquidity. So I don't understand what is going on here. 12 hours closed bullish. So I marked this like 1 hour favorable gap. We can ignore this one. We can ignore the first favorable gap because it's in a premium. And this is like where I will expect like German 40 like to be, and I'm gonna see like reaction. So like if German 40 will get there, I will look at lower time frames like for long setup. So this is area where I will expect some movement from German 40. If I won't see it, I'm gonna like skip it and like won't trade it. But keep in mind, like the problem is like on Tuesday we have a bank holidays, and Tuesday we have lack of liquidity. We're gonna have lack of liquidity, and most likely price action gonna be like trash, right? Okay, now Nasdaq, like similar picture to German 40, similar picture, weekly candle. The thing is we have a huge favorable gap, this one, and we close inside of it, so it means it's not a bullish, not a bearish, right? So I don't know how market will perform, because we took major liquidity, internal liquidity. We just took it, and I don't know like what to expect, because we closed inside of weekly fair value gap. And how market will perform here, like in my opinion, price will go all the way up. So I would love to see something like this, similar to German 40. So we have a bunch of liquidity in this one. This is buy side liquidity, and we already did manipulation. So it's take sell side liquidity, this one. And on lower time frames, especially on 5-minute time frame, we have an uptrend. And like, in my opinion, it's good to go another 2.5%. It can be done within like 1 or 2 days. That's simple. That's simple. Okay, so going next. Next, it's similar. Yeah, this trade I've been doing on the paper. BTC. So this is kind of interesting because look at how weekly candle goes. So it's just taking liquidity and closing inside of the range that been formed during like this October candle, right? So when we had a crazy shakeout on a Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, on Friday, October 10th. Right, so it just price, it means like price consolidating. Last time when I saw something like this, it was here. Here. So, and if we check majority of the coins that I'm interested in, it's like consolidating, especially if it breaks above like this level. I'm gonna jump in, consolidating, same, and it's already it's already pumping. So uni, Tia, maybe, yeah, Tia looks great. Where is RB? This one. Ape, no. Atom, like too old project. Such as old project, Jesus Christ. LDO is also not that bad, but if we are going to like main projects like Link, right? Like Link will go to $31 at least. This is like minimum price, like for it. To like 27, like minimum, right? Like C, Sol, to like bunch of coins. Like all of them are great like to buy right now. And if we're gonna look at the chart, like when you're trading crypto, guys, trade it on a daily, weekly, or like at least like 4-hour time frame. Just zoom out and you will see how great this picture is. Like if we check this huge range that we had on Ethereum, it just like tested equilibrium. This was equilibrium. Yes, price can go like a bit lower, but then it will go all the way up. And the minimum price, in my opinion, look at this, it's just huge range. It's just huge range. Yes, it might do like one more move down to still like 1K, but I don't think so. I don't think it will ever happen unless we're gonna have a great like depression number 2. So I'm extremely bullish on crypto, especially because of this shakeout that we had. And I won't recommend like to buy. This is not financial recommendation. Do like your own research as always. But like altcoins probably will perform will perform better than BTC. Yeah, they outperform it because of low liquidity, and it can like fly. It should fly here. Sui. Yeah, Sui. Yeah, look at Sui, by the way. So I remember I've been buying it here at 40 cents or so, and look at this. It's still doing everything. So right, it's just consolidation. I can show you like one chart that did the same, and it was extremely powerful. Yeah. Where is this? I should have it. Maybe. Oh, BNB. There you go. I want to show you the similar chart. If you've been watching me for a while, we've been talking about it, and I posted a chart about it. It's just like you're buying spot and you're fine. You can just like double your money easily. Not easily, yeah. It's been sitting for like a year and a half, but like almost triple your money, to be honest. Like BNB, look at this. Similar price action to Sui, similar price action to Ethereum, and etc. Don't look at shitcoins. Don't look at shitcoins at all. Look at on coins with good background and something behind it, like Tone, for example. I will keep like saying like the same thing. Tone is a gold, and people like still don't understand it. Imagine you have billion potential customers, billion, and they do like crazy job to to communicating with people in Telegram. It's basically one of the biggest social like network behind it. It has like like all infrastructure you need to pump like crazy. That's it. That's simple. And people don't understand it. This one, yeah, probably. This is also range here, so VLD can pump like crazy. I don't know how far it will pump, but it can go like to like $10-12 easily from here. Like extend, like why not? If you have like 1-2k, like why not to like put it like on the crypto? You will blow it in stock market anyway. Here at least you just like buying and sitting. That's it. You don't need to do anything. Okay guys, that's it. Like if you have any questions, feel free to message. I will be happy to answer. If not, I'm gonna go. Yes. It's on YouTube in stream section. It's a free for everyone. Most likely, well, you know, like girls also can fuck, but Someone can penetrate you. Yeah. We'll see. We'll see. Yeah, guys. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next week. Don't forget communicate in trading chat. If you like indicator, you can check link in my profile, and also I have a Telegram channel. You can join it. It's absolutely free. It's in like my profile as well. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Чего? Ужас. Да. Угу.